Good morning. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Actually, new timetable today. So the groups are not yet made separately. So Anurag sir got a bit confused. Now we'll have separate classes for physics, for biology and mathematics students. Actually, those students who take maths, comparatively, their numerical skills are a little on a higher side. Biology students, they don't want to do it or they don't like to do it. So for that, the reason we have got separate classes for physics from now onwards. Is it okay? Physics will have separate classes only. Is it okay for everybody? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Kartikeya Shukla, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Kartikeya Shukla, good morning. Please
Good
respond.
morning, ma'am.
Which class are you now? Which class have you come to now, beta? Are? I'm asking you now, you're in which class? You don't even know
Ma'am, I
this.
said 11th.
You said 11th. Now tell me, does a
Yes,
class 11 child behave like this, the way you behaved in the group right now? You are going to
sorry,
instruct the
ma'am.
teacher. Not supposed to do this. If at all there is a delay in a minute or two, there must be, you are seeing since morning that today is the first day of timetable, new timetables. Whenever we have a first day or a second day, the first week, there are clashes, there are things which have to be sorted out at the last minute. So please learn how there is a decorum which has to be maintained on all the official groups. Class 11 children, I'm telling you, since you'll be working with me now, there is a decorum which has to be maintained on all the class official groups. If you want to ask something late night, please ask your friends or send personal messages to your class teachers. Do not write on the group. Please send the timetable. Please send the timetable. This all what you people have done in 9th and 10th. I should not see all this in class 11th now. If you have any issues, please send a personal message to your class teacher. If the class teacher does not respond, okay, then send a message to me that, ma'am, I had sent a message at this time to the class teacher and I have not yet got the, whatever you want to do. You want to get yourself added, you want some information, please message your class teachers. I hope you know the class teacher. Shukla sir, as of now, is the class teacher of 11 PCM, 11th science. We'll be segregating groups of PCM and PCB in a day or two, maybe today or by tomorrow. So we'll have two groups. One is 11 PCM and one will be 11 PCB. 11 PCM, Shukla sir will be the class teacher. 11 PCB, Gulshan sir will be the class teacher. But as of now, Gulshan sir is not well. He was tested positive. He is under treatment. So that is why we are not giving this extra job to him as of now, bache. If today he is well, we'll segregate the jobs. Is it okay for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
please let me know if there is any issue. Please, it's absolutely okay to message me, message your class teachers. We are always there for you. You can always message me on my number, but don't write on the groups at after 9:30. If there's something personal, please message me. I generally am awake till 11 o'clock. No issues at all. Anjali, what all we have studied? Very quick revision. I had posted some notes that day. How many of you saw them? Hmm? I'm saying I posted some notes on the group that day. Did you see them? No.
Ma'am, can you please resend them?
Ma'am, we have not
Fine.
got the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we have not got the notes.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
in the school folder. I told Vinitji to post it on the class group. You did not get them?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Never mind. Don't panic. I'll arrange for them. Okay? Don't worry that way. Okay, that's absolutely okay. Okay, beta. Let's continue now. What all we did? Tell me.
Field diffusion.
Yes. Very good. Continue whatever you remember. Sunday, let me see. Tell me quickly.
We have to start from facilitated diffusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Facilitated diffusion. First, tell me what is diffusion?
The movement of particles from higher concentration to
The
lower
movement of
concentration.
particles from higher concentration to lower.
Do we have diffusion in water?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have diffusion in water? Pakka?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We have diffusion in gases?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Give me an
Yes.
example. That day also I asked you to give example.
Ma'am.
That cooker one.
Hmm? Which
That
one?
cooker one.
Ma'am,
And
cooking of food.
cooker is closed. Then there is no
Yes.
then.
Yes, you do remember. That cooker one. That means you're feeling hungry, huh? Wanting to eat something tasty in the cooker. Who is feeling hungry? Who's feeling hungry?
Ma'am, nobody.
Nobody is feeling hungry. Shali, never mind. Let's continue with our classes. See, beta, we've already done that a gradient must be there for diffusion. That day I explained everybody what is a gradient. Very quickly tell me what is a gradient.
Ma'am, difference, concentration.
Difference.
Yes, difference in the concentration. If there is no gradient, will diffusion take place?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We will not. Okay, it will not take place. Good. So if there is a difference in gradient, only then diffusion is going to take place. Diffusion rate will depend on how fast or how quick diffusion is going to take place. It will depend upon, number one, the size of the substance. Which ones will diffuse faster? The smaller particles or the larger particles?
Smaller particles.
Smaller particles.
Smaller particles.
It is easier to push smaller things, so you can remember it by daily life examples. The diffusion of any substance across a membrane also depends on its solubility in lipids. How soluble a substance is in lipids. Why do you think this is the reason? Because the membrane is mainly made up of lipids. Okay, the membrane which the particles have to cross is made up of lipids. What is it mainly made up of?
Lipids.
Lipid.
Very good. So there are two factors which will tell you that how quick the diffusion of particles is going to be. Number one is the size of the particles. If the particles are smaller, the diffusion rate would be
Faster.
faster. See, this chapter I picked up and I'm taking it from the NCERT book as it is, because this is a simple chapter, very, very simple, quite a bit basics you've already done. And second, it will depend upon how soluble it is in lipids. You can imagine it like this, that you have to go to your relative's house and you have good cousins over there. So you'll have to go. Immediately you get ready. Yes, I want to go. And if you have to go to your cousin's house, the cousins whom you don't like, or for some reasons you don't want to go there. So you're hesitant, na? You have to go because your parents are going, you have to go. You don't have options. But the way you get ready, the way you pack your things is going to be comparatively slower, na? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. So these particles have to enter the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is like your cousin's house and lipids are like your cousins. So if you are more soluble, obviously diffusion will take place. You're very happy. If you're going to cousin's house whom you like, immediately you will go out of the house and get ready to go. But if you are hesitant, you don't want to go there, then slowly, slowly. So this is exactly what happens. Now tell me, plasma membrane is like whose house?
Cousin's house.
So,
And who is there? Lipids. Lipids are like
Cousin.
Cousin.
so if you're more friendly, more soluble, then the rate of diffusion would be higher or it would be slower.
Higher.
So I told you there are two factors which will determine how quickly the diffusion is going to take place. Number one is the size of the particles. Which ones will diffuse quicker?
Smaller ones.
smaller.
Smaller ones. Very good. And the second most important factor which will tell you about the rate of diffusion is
Solubility of
Solubility.
how does it depend on solubility? Explain that also. Like you told me, smaller size. Explain solubility also. If they are more soluble, then what will happen?
Higher
It
rate of
will
diffusion.
go fast.
Higher diffusion.
Yes, very good. Substances which are soluble in liquids will diffuse through the membrane faster. And the substances that have a hydrophilic moiety find it difficult to pass through the membrane. Now, what is this word hydrophilic moiety? Kya hai ye beta? What is this? Who will tell me?
Ma'am,
Which already
one substance
contain water.
is soluble in water.
Yes, hydrophilic word means you've done in 9th or 10th somewhere. What does
Yes,
hydrophilic
ma'am.
mean? Hmm?
Soluble in water.
Yes, it means solubility in water. So what about this? Those are hydrophilic. What will happen? Will they pass quicker?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
See now, those substances which have a hydrophilic moiety will find it very difficult to pass through the membrane because membrane mein to mainly cousins are there, na? Lipids are there. Okay, who is present there in the membrane? Cousins. So those
Lipids.
of hydrophilic nature, they will not easily be able to pass into the membrane. They have to be facilitated. What do you mean by facilitated? Helped. What does facilitated mean?
Help.
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 So, first of all, we need to understand who can go without help and who all need help. Those particles which are small and which are soluble in lipids will easily enter by diffusion. They don't need any help. But those particles which are hydrophilic in nature, those substances which are hydrophilic in nature, they will not easily be able to pass through this. So they need some kind of a help. What is this word we have used for help? Facilitated.
Facilitated.
Membrane proteins provide sites at which such molecules cross the membrane. Now, lipids are not going to help over here. You have special proteins on the membrane. What is present on the membrane, beta?
Proteins.
Special types
Special
of proteins.
proteins.
Special
These
protein.
proteins are like charity work they do. They are like NGOs. They are going to help. Whom are they going to help?
Hydrophilic.
Hydrophilic
Hydrophilic.
particles.
They have to enter the plasma membrane, but they cannot go on their own. So we have some inmates. Plasma membrane under we have certain substances which are going to help them. And who is going to help them? Tell me very quickly.
Cytoplasm.
Proteins.
Proteins.
Who's
Special
going to help
types of
them?
proteins.
Special types
Yes.
of proteins.
And where are these proteins present?
Plasma membrane.
Yes. Tell. Now,
Plasma
these
membrane.
proteins,
Plasma.
very good. Plasma membrane. How do these proteins help? They do not create any kind of a concentration gradient. Concentration gradient is the first dire necessity. Until there is a concentration gradient, diffusion will not take place. Proteins will also not be able to help if there is no concentration gradient. Proteins will be able to give extra help only if already what is there? What is there?
Concentration.
Concentration gradient.
Yes. Don't think that these proteins are so smart that even if there is no concentration gradient, they will help. They will not help. They will be able to help those particles which are hydrophilic only if what is there, beta?
Concentration
Concentration
gradient.
gradient.
Yes, it has to be there. Now, proteins are going to help these particles to enter the membrane. They're going to facilitate. They're going to help them. That is why this diffusion is known as
Facilitated
Diffusion.
Facilitated
everybody.
diffusion.
What is this
Facilitated
diffusion?
diffusion.
Jaldi, very good. What is this diffusion called?
Facilitated
Facilitated diffusion.
Very good. Now, very quickly tell me, what are the two kinds of particles or substances which can easily enter the plasma membrane?
Smaller particles and
Smaller
particles which are
particles,
soluble in
particles
lipids.
soluble in
Lipid.
lipids, and which are soluble in lipids.
And who are the ones who need to be facilitated?
Hydrophilic.
Which are hydrophilic in nature.
Hydrophilic moiety.
Who is going to facilitate them?
Special
Special
proteins.
type of
Special
proteins.
protein.
Special proteins. Are these proteins so special that they can facilitate even when there is no concentration gradient?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
They will be able to help only if the first basic condition of diffusion is there. What is that basic condition?
Gradient of concentration.
Concentration gradient.
Concentration gradient has to be there. I'm giving you 1 minute. Please read this paragraph before I go ahead quickly. Read quickly so that you're more confident.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, do hydrophobic particles soluble in lipids?
Beta, hydrophobic, when we talk about the nature, hydrophobic means what? Water loving or water hating?
Lagging.
Okay, children, we have a question. I think the question has simply come in his mind for the reason that hydrophilic, it is not easy to enter. I think that is the reason which came in your mind. That
Ma'am,
hydrophilic particles can not enter. So what about hydrophobic? Can they be entered by diffusion or they also need facilitated diffusion, right? This is the question.
yes, ma'am.
Children, did you understand the question? Let's discuss. If this question has come in his mind, very good. Just repeat the question, beta. Let me explain the answer to you. Let me see if somebody else has the answer first.
Ma'am, can hydrophobic particles be diffused without the facilitated diffusion?
Yes, does anyone have the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe
Yes,
they
ma'am.
can.
And they can.
Who wants to answer? Come on, let me see. Right or wrong, whatever comes to your mind, try to answer. Very good. Answer, then I'll answer.
Ma'am, because hydrophilic particles are soluble in water, then hydrophobic aren't. They may be soluble in lipids.
Okay, anyone else? Okay, we have already got one answer, but good question coming to his mind. Beta, all the hydrophobic molecules which are small in size and even small polar molecules. What are polar molecules?
Which are present at the poles, the ends.
Acha, which are present in the poles, nahi, chota wala ions. Okay, polar molecules when I mean those which have charge. So smaller hydrophobic molecules, smaller ions can enter the plasma membrane. They don't need any facilitated diffusion. However, the bigger ones, bigger hydrophobic ones or bigger charged particles cannot enter with diffusion. Smaller ones, of course, hydrophobic ones, smaller ions, they can enter normal diffusion. They don't need any help or facilitated diffusion. However, the bigger hydrophobic particles and the bigger ions in size, they will need some extra kind of help. We'll very soon study in this chapter how extra help is given by the proteins and what are such proteins called. We're going to very soon study in this. Okay. Now, see, the next paragraph is about facilitated diffusion. Read very quickly these 4 lines. Let me explain it to you. What is there in facilitated diffusion? Some participation from your side also. Read what happens. Have you read, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me a little bit that you understood. Then let's discuss. See, beta, teaching should always be a both-sided interaction. Only then we have fun studying. Okay, tell me, what did you understand?
That special proteins help in less involving of energy.
Okay, good. He has understood this. Anyone else with anything else? Why are these proteins so special? We already know why they are special. Because they help which particles to enter the plasma membrane or cross the plasma membrane?
Hydrophilic moiety.
Hydrophilic moiety.
Now we are going to understand that how this process is going to take place. ये बहुत आसान है. I'll give you a daily life example. You'll understand very soon. But the most important thing that you need to understand is that whenever facilitated diffusion is going to take place, these proteins are going to help the substances to go across the membrane, but no energy will be spent in this process. Most important thing to remember, these proteins will help the particles to cross the membrane. But what is not going to be spent, beta?
Energy.
No energy.
Energy.
No energy. See how interesting, how smart these proteins are. They will help those particles to go across the membrane, but they will also not spend what? Energy in pushing those particles. Normally, if they have to push the particles, they will have to utilize what? Energy, no? But they are not going to push or utilize energy at all. This is the most important thing about this diffusion, that no energy will be used. Now, if you see this facilitated diffusion, it cannot cause net transport of molecules from a low to a high concentration. This would require input of energy. What did you understand? Just now I told you no energy is required. No energy is required by these proteins if they are transporting the particles from high concentration gradient to
Low
Low
concentration.
low concentration. But ये इतने भी smart नहीं होते हैं that without using energy, they can push the particles from low concentration to
High concentration.
High concentration.
High concentration. High
matlab,
concentration.
they can do both the things. Proteins, these are special proteins. They have a special name also. I'll be coming to that very soon with you. Now, these proteins are so special because they're going to help which substances to go across the membrane.
Hydrophilic
substances.
So we are going to study that without spending any energy or without utilizing any energy, how normally you tell me, if you need to push something across somewhere, what you will do? You will push only now. If something is not going, what is the first thing which comes to your mind? Push, isn't it? Isn't
Yes,
this the
ma'am.
first thing which comes to your mind? But
Yes,
for
ma'am.
pushing, what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
required? But for pushing, what is required?
Energy.
Energy.
Energy is required. And I told you these proteins will not utilize any energy in helping the particles to go across the membrane. When the particles are moving from what concentration to what concentration?
High to low.
Higher concentration to low concentration.
But if they have to push the particles from low to high concentration, then what is utilized?
Energy.
Energy. Let me see who in this class is smarter than these proteins present on the plasma membrane. You imagine yourself as a protein on the plasma membrane. So you have to help. Whom you have to help?
Hydrophilic substances.
To cross what? To cross what?
To cross plasma membrane.
Yes. And you don't have to push with extra energy. I mean, you don't have to put in extra energy. I'm giving you a minute. Think how you will do this. Hurry up. Tell me.
By standing on a slope and pushing
Standing
it down.
on the slope and pushing it down. But when you say pushing, it is again, you'll have to put in a little extra energy. Oh, but he's got a good idea. Anybody else? How would you do it? Come on, think. That is why I don't show the entire PDF to you. Think. Nobody? Nobody is guessing? Hmm? Okay, we'll do one thing. I'll show you a picture, diagram kind of a thing. Let's see how many of you can make out from this. Can you see the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Now guess. Now guess. Please see this figure, facilitated diffusion as a diagram. Please see and now guess what is happening. Try, children.
Ma'am, it is rotating.
Yes. It is rotating. Okay. Little bit you are going correct. Very good. थोड़ा और ध्यान से देखिए.
When one particle sticks to the transport protein, and then it rotates and sends it into the plasma membrane.
Okay. Fine.
And
Fine.
it goes through with
Anybody
like
else?
some. Ma'am, it goes inside with the help of some like membrane, like chamber or something.
Okay. Good. Good. At least you people are coming up with different ideas. More people.
Ma'am, it makes space for them.
It makes space for them. How does it make space, beta?
Ma'am, by moving from the cell membrane.
Okay, good, good, very good. And what do you see on the right side?
Creating a specific type of saturation which is helping in it.
Okay, children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of us,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't know what happened to the signal, something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll understand what actually happened over here. Let's read a bit. Let's see the first figure. What are these blue particles?
Hydrophilic.
Hydrophilic
Hydrophilic
particles.
particles.
So they have to enter, no? Is the plasma membrane allowing them easily?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is this pink color thing?
Protein.
Special proteins.
Protein.
Special protein.
This is protein. But ध्यान से देखिएगा. This blue color particle is attached to the protein on which side?
Left.
Left side.
Left.
Now it is going,
Outer
going,
side.
going. Now see this side. What has happened? Where is the blue color particle?
On the right.
Inside the
On
cell.
the right side.
Right.
So one of you even gave me the point. One way is this beta rotation. It enters, then it rotates. Aage wala side, piche wala, it drops the particle, then it comes back. This is one way of doing it. But remember, beta, this diffusion is very specific. Proteins do not take every substance. Very, very sensitive one. Okay. Now these proteins, what do? They form channels in the membrane. Channels means to make way, rasta banana. What do these proteins do first? If you see these orange particles, can you see on the side of the membrane?
Yes, ma'am.
Outer side of the
Yes, ma'am.
membrane. So this has to be first damaged. This part, the way has to be made. If you see this pink protein on the side, do you have these orange particles?
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
So from here, lipids have, if you see very carefully, the lipids have been removed from here. So that what can enter?
Hydrophilic particles.
Hydrophilic substances.
Hydrophilic.
This process is called making of channels. What is this called?
Making
Making of channels.
Now these channels also are of two types. Some channels, they always remain open, and some channels, they open at times and sometimes they close also. Okay. Now they, if you see these channels, some of them are very large. So a lot of molecules can easily cross through them. These proteins, porins, please remember the name. When I started the class, I told you I'll be telling you about a special name of these proteins. Porins, P-O-R-I-N-S. What is the name?
Porins.
Now these porins have the capacity to make a large membrane, a large hole kind of a structure in the membrane, a big pore in the membrane of which organelles? Plastids, mitochondria, and bacteria. So proteins, when it enters other molecules also, it takes along with it. So generally you will find this system in plastids, mitochondria, and bacteria. Where will you find this?
Plastids, mitochondria, and bacteria.
Plastid, mitochondria,
Mitochondria and some bacteria.
What are these proteins called?
Porins.
Porins.
Porins. These proteins